What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. I wanted to show you some cool things that you can do with your phone app on your Galaxy device. Let's get right into it. So open up your phone app, and then once you open it up, hit the three dots in the top right and go to settings. Once you're in here, what you're going to do is a couple of things that I want to show you. First off is search for places nearby. If you have that on, you have some cool stuff that you can do without having to go into Google and search for stuff. So I'll go back here, and you can see right off the bat, it's already showing things that are around me, restaurants, nightlife. And this could be not just where you live, it's anywhere you are. So if I'm in, Boston, Massachusetts, it's gonna show me things that are around Boston so that I can search for things or find things that way. The other cool thing is if you go up here, and I could search anything, but I'll just search Jersey Mike's. Let it think for a second here. And there you go, Jersey Mike's sub. So it brings up any Jersey Mike's or anything that's named Jersey Mike's that's near me, and I can click on it, find it. And it does take a second or two to bring it up, but otherwise it's a really quick way to find a phone number without having to go, into Google. And that's all because I have this setting turned on that says search for places nearby. The other cool thing is quick decline messages. I don't know if you know about this, but when you get a phone call, you have some predefined ones here already, like please text me back, can you call me back later, I'll call you back. And this is when people call you so you can't answer the phone for whatever reason. You can also enter in custom messages, just hit the plus over here and then just type your message. I'm not home, we'll just type that. Or I'm not sure, we'll leave that one. And then just hit that plus message, and now you have that as a message, I'm not sure, and you can have that as an automatic message when someone calls you. So if someone calls you, so I'm calling myself, and you'll see in a second I'm going to get a message here. So you can see send message. If I swipe up here, I can choose one of these predefined messages or decline with a sticker. I'll just say I'm not sure, and it sends that person a text message saying that I'm not sure or whatever. That way I don't have to answer my phone. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is, and I always have this turned on, caller ID and spam protection. Turn that on. That's a really great thing when you get calls from numbers either that are, you just don't know, they're not in your phone book. It'll actually tell you if it's a spam or it's suspicious, or it'll even tell you who it is. So if it has a person's name attached to it or a company's name attached to it, it'll tell you. It takes a few seconds, so the person will call you, and it'll take a few seconds for it to look it up on the internet, basically from your LTE connection or your Wi-Fi connection. And then it'll, like I said, it'll tell you if it's a suspicious call, a spam call. It'll tell you if it's, John Smith or whoever. So that's a really cool thing to keep on. And that's really, I don't know if you know about this, but that's some of the coolest stuff that I've seen in this app for the Samsung phone app. Those little things right there that make stuff a little bit easier with your phone calls and give you information a little bit quicker rather than going to another app and finding it. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day, and I'll see you down the road. Peace.